Hey guys, today I have come to give you a review about one more smart device, smart home device you can say. This product is from Wipro. So before I start, I would like to request you all guys to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please like the videos as well. Yeah. So this product is from Wipro, Wipro Smart Lamp, and this is 9-watt smart lamp. The model is Garnet model, and this is not the color 16 million colors one. This is the white lamp, and also it gives us a yellow color also. So there are two types of color available with this lamp, the white and yellow. Yeah. So you can control this its brightness through the app, and it is Wi-Fi powered, Wi-Fi enabled lamp. Once you plug into your plug, an electric plug, so it automatically turn on. Then you have to configure this device with Wi-Fi and the app. You have to install the Wipro app, Wipro Smart app. And once you install the app, so you can monitor this. Once you install this lamp on your plug, so you can control this lamp brightness, colors, and scene optimization through the Wipro Smart Lamp app. Yeah, and you need to have a Wi-Fi device, Wi-Fi routers, or you can also control using your mobile Wi-Fi network. All the options are available. In terms of brightness, 9-watt can lighten up your one hall room. Your bedroom is quite enough. Yeah, it's a large, it's a 3 BHK bedroom, so hall rooms, so if it is more than 300-400 SFT also, it can lighten up that particular hall room. It's quite efficient lamp from Wipro. Yeah, yes, I'll come to the cons later. Let me talk about the pros first. So there are multiple options available. You can schedule this lamp to turn on a particular time, like the evening, and turn off automatically on the night. And also turn on this device through Google Assistants, and you can also use Amazon Alexa to, with your voice command, you can turn it on, turn off. You can reduce the brightness. You can change the colors. All the features are available. And if you are using Google Home, I am using Google Home, so I can operate this lamp through my mobile, through my Google Home speaker. I can control it through my smart TV. I can control this lamp from anywhere. Yeah, that's a very good important things. Yes, it also works with IFTTT, one more smart platform. So that also you guys can use it. The apps is available in the Google Play Stores and Apple App Stores. You can easily download it. Yes, let me talk about the connectivity. So it takes quite some time to get connected with your Wi-Fi and your compatible apps. So you might have to struggle initially to connect it with this device. Once it is connected, it is automatically gets connected again. Yeah, you don't have to struggle again. But you have to keep your plugs on. Yeah, so you can use your voice command. You can use the apps to turn off. You don't have to power on the switch. It's definitely a recommended product, and few cons are there. Yes, so if your Wi-Fi's are not connected, it will continue to blink. Yeah, it will look for a connectivity. If you don't power it with the connectivity, it continue to blink for some times. If you turn off the switch and turn it on, then it will reset itself, and then it will not blink, and it will not ask for connectivity. Yeah, so you can use both the options. You can connect this device with Wi-Fi and use it, control it smartly, or you can also use the normal bulb. But the price of this product is almost 500 rupees, and definitely you would be using as a smart device, not a normal bulb. Yes, so it's a recommended product, and few glitches are there sometimes. If it is connected also in Wi-Fi, also certain color fade out, sometimes blinkering also happens, and that we should have fixed it. I don't know if they can fix it with software update or not. Let's see if they can do it. else it is definitely a good product to buy. With a price range of 3 to 400 rupees, definitely a good product. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like.